I just went out to grab something to eat. I wasn't sure what to get. Then I passed by a Istanbul Turkish kebab house. You find them everywhere in Germany. And I picked this up. They threw in some bread for €6. I mean, hell, €6, and it tastes really good. Can't go wrong with that. And then on the way back, I stopped by the supermarket. I wanted some stuff to drink. And I saw these. I don't really like to normally drink this stuff, but I'm on vacation, so it's okay. These little cans of pop, they're about, 330 milliliters. But what really caught me was they're from Sicily. And with the exception of Palermo, which I absolutely despise, I love Sicily. Sicily, the geography is just stunning. That's just a whole nother story altogether. I love Sicily. But I had to get these drinks because they're from Sicily. But when I came back to the hotel, this wasn't here before. They put in my room while I was gone. I don't know, what is this? This is milk and grapefruit juice, and I love grapefruit juice. Pamplemousse is what they call it in French. And like a basket full of cookies and all sorts of stuff. Like I don't know what all this stuff is, but I got some food here. Really nice of them to throw this in. I mean, obviously, given the price that I'm paying, but yeah, nice little treat here. It is still brutally hot out, and I don't know when the major papal churches close. I think there's one close by here. I'm not too sure. I think there's one Laterno or something like that. Shouldn't be too far from here. But I'll probably go an hour before they close or something because it is so hot. It is so brutally hot. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue eating my lunch here, and given the price, I might come back there tonight.